Hello, what's up? My name is Prince West, popularly known as you find Tipsy Bartender. And in today's section, we'll be having some cool moments and cool discussion about bartending. So today, the plan today is to make a drink and take you guys through the process of how it's been made. So today, we're making a Cosmopolitan cocktail. It's a vodka-based cocktail that most of you all know. But there's a quite misunderstanding people do make while making these drinks. It's meant to be reddish in color, or should I call, yeah, reddish in color, but not quite red, but reddish in color. So I will give you guys the process and the ingredients and how to make it. Also, how to present your cospo to your customer. So first of all, we'll be having our ice. We're having our ice and um, this is our vodka, and I'll be using 50 cl or 50 ml of my vodka. I've also been using my triple sec. Triple sec is made by Money, 25 cl. My triple sec. I was in 20 ml of my lemon juice. I'll also be using 50 of my 50 okay, no, let me use 75 ml of my cranberry. So I'll be using my grenadine. Grenadine is not part of the recipe, but because we want to get that reddish color of the Cosmopolitan, because these days our cranberry does not have this reddish attributes to make it more presentable or give it its actual color. So we're adding a dash, we're adding a dash of the grenadine, dash of grenadine to get us to the color, the certified color of it. So now we have our ice being iced. Get the water because it's meant to be served cold. So let's chill our glass while we wait for it and have this done. So let's try this. Garnish with our lemon fruit, and here we have our Cosmopolitan. So if you want to make a Cospo, and this is the proper way of how you are to make, so you have to make your Cosmopolitan. I wish you enjoy it if you want to try it at home. It's a very cool drink, very easy to go. Yeah, we have it. Enjoy. So if you want to try it, you can try it. Love you.